Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a working cabinet or working door or something like this inside of Roblox Studio. It's really cool. Something like this that opens, you can close it again and open it, and close it and open it and close it from Piggy obviously. This is a normal filing cabinet or medicine cabinet that you normally see in some chapters. I think you see it in Outpost City, some of the newer chapters in book 1. You don't really see it much in book 2 and not in the early chapters of book 1. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the locker, which is seen a little bit less, I think. I mean, it's seen in book 2 quite a bit, so yeah. I'm going to show you how to make that open like this, so the door's open. I'll also be adding the sounds in and showing you how to script it from fresh scripts, okay? So it's really easy, it's simple, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it today. So I hope you guys do enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss another video. And let's get on with this video. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is we're going to want to sort it out into frame and doors. So as you'll see, some of these parts are for the door, some of them are for the frames. So the first part, all these color parts, this is the only part to do with the door. The rest of it is to do with the frame. So we can basically take all of that and we want to group up the frame. Okay, so we want to take that and we want to group it up and name it door frame. Obviously on yours it'll be a lot different. You might not be doing a locker, but you just want to take anything that's a frame and not the door. Okay. Now you see the rest of this is all the door. There is a hitbox here. I'm going to get rid of that real quick. That part there. Get rid of that. Then you want to take all of this. This is all on the door, okay? Plus the color part. You do not want to group this. You want to union this instead. So if you go to model along the top, you can see it says union. Just union that, and you should have your locker. I'm going to turn off shadow just so you can't see that, okay? This part we're going to name door, okay? We're just going to name this locker or just door even. We can then group that up, and now we're going to need to do a little bit of like something now. So what we want to do is we want to duplicate this twice. Okay. Both of these you want to separate, and you want to delete any of the parts. We don't want any of the parts in here. All we want is the two color parts, the two full pieces. Okay. One of them we're going to leave, and we're going to name it part 1. Put it inside door. Okay, just like that. The other one we're going to name part 2. But what we're going to do is we're going to rotate and make sure in model you've got rotate on and you've got it on 90. And what you're going to do is rotate it round 1 like this, and you're going to move it across so it's right in the corner like this, and you're going to move it until it is right in the corner like that, just to where you want it to be. This is where your door is going to open to. You can always move this to anywhere you want if you like, so I might move mine to be about there instead, just like that. Okay, this is what you're going to name. I can't speak. This is what you're going to name part 2, and you're going to put that on the door as well. What we're also going to do is we're going to duplicate these, and we're going to name the part 1 part 4, and we're going to name part 2 part 3. Okay, so we should have 4 parts in total. Part 1 and 4 are the normal door placement, and part 2 and 3 are the parts we just added. Make all of them transparency 1 and can collide no. Okay, so we want to turn can collide is already off. With door we want to add a can collide on, like that. Okay. We want to make sure everything is anchored as well, and I believe it is already, so that's pretty good. What we now want to do is we're going to have to add a little bit of script, a few scripts, and we're also going to have to add a hitbox. So take part 1, for example, duplicate it, and put part 1 into model, like this. We're actually going to name this one locker door instead of model, just like that. And then we've got door, and then we've got part 1. Part 1 you're now going to name hitbox, like this. And we're just going to bring it out like that, just to where the point where you can click it like this, and that should be alright, okay? The hitbox is going to be the part that you're going to have to click to open the door, obviously. That we also want to move with the door. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take the hitbox, well, you're going to take the hitbox and you're going to go into your edit rig. So if you don't have this, I'll leave the link in the description for it again, but you want to just go edit rig like this. You want to actually take the entire locker, go edit rig, and what you want to do is go door to hitbox, okay? Just the union door to part hitbox, like that. That's going to basically connect the door to the hitbox, so the hitbox moves with the door. Hitbox you also want to move inside of the locker, so you want to just go inside the locker and make sure it is inside the locker, just like that, just so you can click it from the like when it's stuck out, you can click it from the inside like I could here, okay? Inside of your hitbox, what you're going to do is you're going to place a click detector, okay? So grab a click detector, and you're going to put a max activation distance 20, and for the cursor icon, you want to put in the digit. So remember this, I'll put it up on the screen right now. The cursor icon, what you want to do is you want to put in the numbers 258 113 808, and that will bring up the normal Roblox cursor, the Piggy cursor icon when you open doors and that. That is all you're going to want, okay? Inside a door frame, we're going to select one part and we're going to name it sound part. I'm going to select this part here. Normally I do it the part that's on its own, so all you're going to do is you name it sound part, no capital P, just like that, okay, sound part. You're now going to add on this two different audios, okay? You can obviously change the ones you want. You can change the locker sound if you want. I might just grab some locker sounds out of here, so I'm going to go locker open. I want to do so to grab locker open, put that one into there. You're going to put this in the sound part. Again, I'll leave the digits on the screen for you guys. I'll find them and I'll leave them on the screen. We could do, so this one you want to name door open. So you'll name the open door, door open, and then we want to do door locker close. We'll do that one as well. Then we're going to name this one door close. Again, I'll leave the IDs for both of them on the screen right now. The ID for locker open is going to be 212719873, and door close is 212711664. Okay. What you want to do now is you can leave that there like that. We can now go into lock door and we're going to add a few scripts now. Okay. Inside a door, what we're going to do is we're going to add a move one and a move two scripts. This one just wants to be a normal script. We're going to name the first one move one. And inside this script, what we're going to do is we're going to write out this script, these lines of code, okay? So, follow what I do. We're going to do local door one, or local door one equals script dot parent. That's just calling a local. What we're going to do now is we're going to do local tween with a capital T, service with a capital S, all one word. Local tween service equals game. Yeah, is it? It's going to be equals game dot get service. We're going to go get service like this. Open brackets, open speech marks, tween service. Okay. Now I'm going to do local time equals. We want to do capital T on that one. So local time equals 0.4. And we're going to go next 2 lines in front, and we're going to go local tween info equals tween with a capital T and a capital I dot new, and then leave the close bracket. Click enter, so you should have the close bracket on the other side now. As you'll see, the close bracket now is here and your bracket there. So all you got to do, basically go in between the brackets when you click this, go in between them, click enter like that. Now I'm going to do time, comma, next line, enum dot easing style like that, dot linear colon, or yeah, no, not colon, is it comma, enum dot easing direction. Whoopsie, I got rid of it there for a second. Easing direction dot out, comma, 0, comma, next line, false, comma, 0, like that. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go in the extra 2 lines. I'm going to do function tween open bracket part 1, comma, part 2, like this. Then I'm going to do claw, no, not claw 1, door 1. I'm reading it straight off Discord, so it's a bit, I'm trying to, on the Discord, name it differently. C frame equals part 1 dot C, yep, dot C frame, like that. We're then going to go, is it in there? No, now go enter, local tween equals tween service dot create with a capital C. Oh no, it's not dot, it's colon, sorry, colon create, and then inside this we want to do door 1. Then we're going to go comma, Next line, we're gonna go tween info, but we want tween info to be back before this. So we kind of want to go here. Colon tween info without the capitals. Tween. There is tween info. Colon. Open up the squiggly brackets. So that's that one there. Nope, this one here. C frame equals part 2 dot C frame. And you want to do that one plus a normal bracket to close it off. Then what you're going to do is you're going to do next line tween like this. Wait, tween colon play, open and close brackets like that. And you're going to take this one, you can delete that one now because we placed it somewhere else. And you've got tween play right there, okay? Then it's going to be end. Then on the next lines, we're going to do tween dot script. No, tween open bracket script dot parent dot part 1 right here, comma script dot parent dot part 2. Then we're gonna, that is it, isn't it? That is it, right? So that is the part 2 close bracket. That should be the script 100% completely. If I've done it correctly, I'm not sure if I have. I'm gonna quickly just check the other one inside cabinet, just see if I've done it 100% correct. Here, I've not done it 100% correct. Right, okay, so basically just take, alright, that's why then. It's because on Discord, like, the lines don't match up. So all you got to do is just basically take, on this one, just take tween info and just collide it with that one there. So you've got the two lines in a row like this. Then hopefully you should have it, yeah. So, oops, I keep closing it down. So you should have it like that. I don't know if that's going to matter, but just like place the space there. There's like that one thing that I missed out, but it's just because I put an extra line, that's why it looks a little bit weirder. What you're going to do now is you're going to take this move one and you're going to disable it. Okay, so down in properties, just click disable. And we're now going to duplicate move one. And we're going to name this one move 2. Open up the move 2 script and you're going to change the parts now to be part 3 and part 4, okay? What you want to do is you want to name part 3, or change part 1 to part 3, and part 2 to part 4. So anywhere it says part 1, do it 3. So there's another part 1 here. And anywhere it says part 2, change it to be part 4. Like this, okay? Oops, part 4. Like that. That is your both your move 1 and your move 2 scripts, okay? The next part we're going to want to do now is we're going to want to do the door script. Or, yeah, I think it's a door script now. Is it a door script? I think we've finished with everything else now. Yeah, so just grab door script, which will be a normal script. And inside door script, what you want to do, this is a little bit of a bigger script, I think. Yeah, I think it is. No, it might not be actually. What you want to do is you want to call the locked door. So local locked door. I use this for every script to lock doors, so that's why I keep it the same. Lock door equals script dot parent. Okay. So your locked door is going to be locker door. Okay. So if it's if it's 3 parts above, you want to do parent, 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 obviously. So we're going to do script parent. Then what you want to do is you want to do local time with a capital T equals 0.5. You can change it to whatever you want, depending on the time you want the door to open in. So if you wanted the door to open in 4 seconds, change that time to 4. What you want to do now is you want to do locked door dot hitbox dot click detector dot mouse click colon connect function open brackets, and you want to go here. Oh wait, and in this bracket you want to do PLR, just like this. Then all you want to do is you want to do if locked door. Oh wait, so before we move on, you're going to want to go into locker door and you want to add a value. Now this value you want to be is going to be a string value, add the string value, and on here you just want to type in close with a capital C, okay? So type in close, and you're going to go here, and you're now going to do this. It's going to be if locked door, I don't know why it's not showing up, if locked door dot value. Oh, and then you also want to call a value, do you? No, you don't. So if locked door dot value, like that, equal to closed, then locked door dot sound part. So we also want to call a sound part, don't we? Oh no, so we're going to go locked door dot parent dot door frame dot sound part dot door open. So dot door open colon play, and then we want to do locked door dot door dot move one dot disabled equals false. Then you want to do wait 0.4 locked. Well, actually, what you want to do first, you want to go into the move scripts, and you want to make sure the time. So if you want the time for the door to open, this way the door is open. If you want the time for the door to open be like 0. If you want it to be 4 seconds, like I said, you want to change that to be 4. And when it says here, wait this time, this is what you want to match up to be whatever the time this move script is. So if this is 6, if you want the door to open in 6 seconds, you've got to do wait 6 seconds because it's going to do locked door like this dot door dot move one dot disabled equals true. Okay, just so it's not going to change it again. And now you're going to do locked door dot value equals open. And that's what's going to change it to now be open, so the door is now open. Okay, what you're now going to do is go back. You're going to go else if locked door dot value equal to open. Okay, and then you're going to go then locked door dot sound locked door dot parent dot door frame dot sound part dot door close play, and then you're going to do locked door dot move to this time colon no not dot disabled equals false. And all you're going to do is go wait again 0.4 locked door dot move to dot disabled equals true, and you're going to do locked door dot locked door dot value equals close, because now the door is closed again. Okay, and that's going to help you to loop it. And now what you've got to do is, I think that's it, yeah. So now it's going to be end to end. That is your entire door done. We're now going to go for a quick test on it. What you're going to do is you click play here, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, this should actually work. Hopefully I am recording. I am good. Right. Now if you go up to this, the hitbox isn't working. Hold on. Hitbox is here. Is it? Oh, it's not. Okay, make sure the hitbox is anchored. Don't make sure the hitbox is anchored. Go to this thing, edit rigs. I think I deleted it. Go door to hitbox and create that join. And you want to go home, play here. Now it should work. Just don't make sure it's anchored. Make sure it's rigged after you've done all the scripts. Okay. So in here, yep. You click it. Brilliant. You know what, that's brilliant. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Right. Door one is script parent. Door one dot. So the sounds are working, which obviously means it's working. Door dot C frame part one. That one there. Yeah, that should be moving it to there. Maybe I've got to unanchor that part. Have I? Don't think so. I think I'll keep it anchored. here. Script parent move one disabled equals false. So it should be disabling is false. 0.4 linear out, 0 false, 0, part 1, part 2, door frame. Part 1 to part 2. It all looks good. I don't know why it's not actually playing it, but yeah. Go from there to there, yeah. I don't see anything that's wrong with it. What I will try though is I'll try going here, and I'll take move 1 and move 2 straight out of here and see if that makes a difference. Go move 1 and move 2. Move 1 and move 2, then we'll delete them ones. I don't see any difference between the two, but we'll try it. We'll try it. Right, let's go play. Oh, and that works. Okay, so there's obviously something wrong with my script. I don't know what it was. You'll see it there now. Opens. I think you can get. Oh wait. Oops. Nothing. Whoops. You probably get inside it. Let me just fix one thing real quick. Let me just go into door frame and make sure everything on door frame is gonna be can collide. I don't know what was different between my script and the original script. Let me just have a look. Here. This one. Oh, I see it. I already see it. Right here, where it says game.getService, do game::getService. Then it should work. So if you stayed this long to see this bug, do game.getService instead. I'm now going to delete the custom ones just to show you that mine do work. So I'm going to do game::getService. And you'll now see that should work if I go play. I think you can even get inside the locker, which is pretty cool, but you'd probably be too big for it, but you know. Go here, and yep. So, oh, wait, oh, I didn't put it on can collide because I went reverse, didn't I? Right. Go back to this, go back here, do that, and then can collide is on. Then we're going to go play here. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to, whoops, where am I? Here, oh, there. You can open it like that, and you should be able to get into, oh, no, I don't think you can. I think you're too big to go in the locker. Hold on. Oh, no, it pushes us out. If you made the locker a little bit bigger, you probably can fit in it, but I think that's just a little bit. Oh, wait, we're almost. Oh no, we're not in. Anyway, that is basically it. Really easy to make. You can spam them though. That's the one problem like this. You can spam them. So I want to add a cooldown, but I don't know how to do that. What you could do is you could recolor this. So if you just want to color all of them to be, I don't know, maybe we'll make it this purple color. We'll go for purple. We'll go for that purple there. Yeah, we'll go for that purple. And then we'll just go into door. I just realized we can't actually change anything on the door. But yeah, I guess you can change the color of it if you want to reunion everything. But other than that, guys, that's basically it. That's your locker door done, or your locker done. You can apply that on any thing. Just remember to add that colon instead of the dot like I did. Other than that, that is actually pretty easy. It's that easy. I know there's a lot of scripting to it, but if you just copy it from that another one, paste it in, it's really easy. I've made loads of these now, which are really cool. Like I said, if you want to make the locker bigger, actually, like that big, I don't know why you want it that big, but you know, and then we should be able to get inside of it. So you just go open, and you get inside of it. Close it. You can only just fit inside of it as well. It's just about big enough for you. Just about big enough for me, I mean. Look how much bigger it is. Look how much bigger it is to me as well. Anyway, guys, if you did enjoy, I really like the sounds as well. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss another video. And leave some suggestions of what I should do next for these tiny little Piggy scripting tutorials. They're really cool, really easy to teach, and really fun as well. Yeah, but that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.